Right, I'm just gonna quickly record this video because I gotta go to the gym. So what I'm gonna tell you right now is you gotta have a list of essentials in your life. Imagine this: you have schoolwork to do. In due time is 1 week. You have 1 week to do it, and your week schedule is pretty motherfucking busy, right? So you gotta do it fast as fuck. And now you go on doing that stupid PowerPoint or whatever you have to do, and you're thinking to yourself, man, oh, I want it to look good, I want this stuff, and I want this effects and animations, and this text that I'm writing, I want it to be good looking, and I want everything to be perfect. I want the text to be very funny, so people will be like, oh man, that's a nice presentation, and all this shit. Yeah, that's good. I recommend you do that shit. But first of all, listen, I was in the same spot, and I wanted to do all this shit, but in the end, I ran out of time. I didn't have time to study enough for the exam. I didn't present enough, good enough, because, okay, I'm talking about exam in different language, for example, right? But if you have a topic, you have to know about the topic first. So you need to have a list of essentials. Essential number 1 is you need to understand the topic. You need to understand what the fuck it's talking about. So you make key points. You just make key slides in PowerPoint. You don't make any fancy shit. You need to have, what is the essential? PowerPoint and fucking information you're gonna tell them. So that's the 2 essential things. You get the information, then you make the most basic PowerPoint possible. You have these 2 things. Now you can focus on learning the information better. And now once you get that, you can focus on making the PowerPoint better. You see, you gotta do them all in some sort of, that's first, that's second, that's third. Like, sort them with the most important to the least important. So the most important is you know that shit, and then you make the basic PowerPoint because you just need a PowerPoint, and then you need to learn that shit better to tell it better. And then you can make the PowerPoint look better. But the PowerPoint is just an example. It goes the same for everything in life. You go out with your girlfriend, and you want to do all this amazing stuff. But what is the most important thing? First of all, for example, I don't know, you bring her that gift because it's your anniversary. It's Valentine's Day, and you bring her that flower. That's the most important thing. Then you can focus on all the other fancy shit. Where you're gonna go, what you're gonna do. I mean, of course, you gotta plan the date right. But I'm saying, first of all, focus on the most important. Buy her that flower. Then you're gonna focus on buying what the fuck else to buy her. First, there is the flower. Second, what is the date? Then you can focus on all that shit. Just follow the list of essentials. But if your essential is to make a very fucking good gift because you want to make her feel very special that day, then that's the essential. Then forget a motherfucking flower. The flower is obvious. But make that gift. You see, it's always the question, what is the essential? And then you make the essential. And then after you've done the essential, you make all the other fancy shit. And that's gonna be all for today because I gotta go to the gym, my friends. And yeah, see you next time. Ciao.